Good morning, guys. I just showered, talked to my mom, and now I'm packing down my sleeping bag because my friend couple invited me to celebrate New Year's with them and their friends. So I'm going over there to celebrate New Year's, and it's possible to sleep there. So I figured, let me just bring my own sleeping bag. They're probably not gonna have enough duvets and stuff for everyone. Not there's gonna be a lot of people. Allegedly, it's only gonna be me, my friend couple, and at most 3 other people. But let's see. I'm just packing down some things like a headset and sleeping bag and charger and stuff like that. Yeah, I gotta hurry, guys. See you in a bit. I'm standing here at the kiosk waiting for my friend couple. I gotta help them carry some things, but I'm not sure what direction they're gonna be coming from. I'm in my finest clothes today, which is just my camo pants. We're on Odense station now, moving along.
Samtidig er tanken om at give slip vemodig. I år fyldte prinsesse Isabella 18 år. Tænk engang. Dagene med små børn kan af og til virke lange. Men pludselig er de over, og børnene er store, før vi ved det. Vores opgave er at forsøge at finde rum i vores hjerter til at være nænsomme. Også når det falder os svært. I foråret havde jeg den store glæde at være tilbage i Grønland. Og endnu en gang blev jeg mødt af overvældende varme og venlighed. Det var og er en tur.
Check me out. I got a yellow party hat. I wanted a blue one. Right. Check it out.
Yeah.
Blue party hat.
And you get nu. Det så meget for dig, det der.
Ja.
Men det er også godt.
Hey guys, I'm just standing out here smoking a cigarette. I didn't really want to talk for the past few recordings. These people, they are privately minded and they don't really feel like being recorded. And I try to the best of my ability not to include their voices either. Like, I want to respect people's desire for privacy. So that's why I'm just gonna use subtitles when I record stuff in there and not talk in English. I don't want to like weird them out. I mean, they all know I make videos, but we gotta respect these things. People are already going crazy with the fireworks, and this is nothing compared to Copenhagen. In Copenhagen, it sounds like a war zone right now. And it's not even 12 yet, it's like 10 o'clock right now. It's gonna get even wilder. I'll record some fireworks for you at midnight. That's when people go crazy, when it hits 12.
Jeg går ikke så over
was woken up an hour ago and told we gotta leave in an hour. So I only got like a little bit more than an hour's worth of sleep. I'm really disappointed, you know, when you invite people to stay over for New Year's and you kick them out in the early morning hours, man, it just sucks. So yeah, we're trekking through the rain and the cold now, getting some unoptimal bus routes to get home. We have to switch buses and get a train, and it's gonna be a whole ordeal. Oh my god, I'm trying to suppress my frustration, but it's not easy right now, guys. It's not easy. I have not slept for very many hours this past few days. I think I might have slept for like 6-8 hours or so. I really need sleep. Home sweet home. And this time it's not even a joke. I actually live here. Oh my god, man. I had such a good evening. And then it has to end like this. Fucking hell, man. I'm gonna try and see if I can't sleep. Like, I'm just gonna lie down, watch some videos for like an hour or so, and try and fall asleep. Well, Happy New Year's, guys. I hope your evening was a lot better than mine. Let's just fucking cross and double cross our fingers that this new year is gonna be better. Or this 2026 is gonna be better than 2025. Oh my god. Please, no more setbacks. I've had enough setbacks in 25. Please let me just move on with my journey in 26, alright? See you guys.